My name is Chef Fred, and today I am bringing you a burger salad, a mini burger salad. Loaded, this is a keto lover's dream right here. If you're a keto person, or you're just a person who likes a lot of protein, because I'm definitely gonna give you that, because I have turkey bacon on deck, I have your ground meat on deck, I have your cheese on deck, so those are your proteins. And of course, we can't forget the core of our nutritional aspect here, since it is Nutrition Month, our tomatoes, our mushrooms, our green for our romaine lettuce, and another dose of protein is eggs. So what we're gonna do is make our mini burgers, which I've already rolled and formed into patties that have turkey bacon in them. You know I can't let a day go by without adding my turkey bacon or adding some form of bacon because I love bacon. And so we're also going to sprinkle some more bacon on the top of it, and cheese, and a sunny side egg. Yes, we're going to do that today. So we'll be back with our vitamin content. Ground beef, which has turkey bacon in it, and we also have turkey bacon right here as well. Our ground beef has vitamin B6, B12, iron, and niacin. And our turkey bacon, which is in here as well. A wonderful greenery, which is our romaine lettuce, which is vitamins A, C, K, and folate. And we have our cherry tomatoes, which has folate, vitamin C, and potassium. And we have our egg that we're going to make sunny side, which is vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, and K, and iron. And we're going to cook it in ghee, which is vitamins A, C, E, D, and K. So I am now gonna put my burger on the grill. Now I'm just putting some basic Himalayan salt on it. Just letting it cook up here. I'm also going to work on our sunny side egg. Going to multitask, so to speak. This is kind of, and these little, I love gadgets, if anyone knows anything about me. It's just here to kind of make sure everything just stays in place. Oh, change my gloves because I just touched eggs and I just touched raw meat. I am going to get my lettuce here. Put my gloves on. Although I'm the one that's going to be eating this, but since I always talk about safety, I'm going to emphasize that. And so I am going to put a lid on top of my eggs. Cherry tomatoes. Usually like to try to get spread out colors. Some here, some big ones. Okay, and so I take my mushrooms. So good, so good. It's almost like a deconstructed burger. Okay, let me check my eggs. Looking good. Give us some basic black pepper. I'm just gonna put, this was ghee I had in here, and just some Himalayan salt. I like my burgers well done. I know most people like to eat their things raw. Not I. I prefer to have my burger well done. Just basic salt and black pepper. So I'm gonna cut my avocado with my non-harming. It's a serrated, it's like a faux serrated blade, but it cuts the avocado. If you're interested in this, I'll link it below, and it takes out your pit as well. So here we go. Now, I have to tell you, sometimes you buy an avocado and you really don't know what it's gonna be like inside, if it's gonna be good or not. So, I hope you're good. I hope you're good. I hope you're good. Let's see. Yay! It's good. So that makes my heart warm and fuzzy. And so I'm just going to cut it down here in a straight line. And of course, I'm going to go across. I want to show you the gem of how this can move your pit. Just stab it like this, turn it around, and your pit is out. There you go. And so now here's my spoon to take out my avocado that I just sliced up. And I actually kind of want to spread it around. So on top of my tomatoes, because the center is for my wonderful burger, once it's complete, the way I like it, well done. You cook your burger however you like it. I never like anything of the avocado go to waste, so I'll keep that. And hold on, let me cut some more. Here we go. All the goodness. I'm putting some more bacon on top of my burger. I'm gonna place the cheese on it, because who doesn't love bacon, right? You know, that's my expression, who doesn't love bacon? So I am going to put one cheese down here and put another burger on top and another piece of cheese on top here to melt. And we have another piece of cheese here, all these different cheeses, and I'm just kind of leaving it here. I'm gonna lower my heat a little bit on the grill just so it can kind of melt. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful this salad looks. It looks so great that I really don't even want to eat it because it's so pretty. Well, but I gotta taste it for you, right? And let you know how everything is. And so this was all very simple in the sense of the seasoning here was just some basic salt, Himalayan salt and black pepper. And I have a little bit of ranch everything bagel as my dressing. Didn't make any dressing from scratch today. So I have my avocado in here, which I had showed you, my tomatoes. Oh, the yellow things here is plantain croutons. So here's my mushroom and my tomatoes and my turkey and my avocado, which is giving me a little bit of a hard time right here. So get some avocado in here to really taste. And you know, avocados, they like to be sticky wickies. And all right. Now I'm gonna grab this burger here. Ooh, because the yolk is already breaking down. And let's get some more green. A little green never hurt nobody, right? Ah, now I can get a little bit basis more of my avocado here. Let's go. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my dressing. I'm gonna actually have to get my knife. Now, let us taste this masterpiece. Oh, hold on, let's try to keep the masterpiece together first, right? So I will say this to you guys. You know how I feel, how I explained I don't like my meat medium rare. Well, guess what? My burger is a little medium rare. But you know what? Because it's so pretty and I have all this other goodness here, I'm gonna eat it. It's so tender, it's breaking apart. See, here it is. Super tender. That cheese. Let me get the cherry tomatoes. Oh man, let me get my greens. Can't forget my greens. And my avocado. Delicious. Yes, and if you love burgers, but you want to try and eat a little healthier, who said you can't make a salad out of your burger? Out of your cheeseburger? that you formed with bacon, turkey bacon. This is a great alternative for just your regular hamburger. It's like a deconstructed salad cheeseburger because you had all your core ingredients for a salad and you had your mini cheeseburger with a sunny side egg. I think some places call that burger royale or burger royal. I just call it straight goodness. Listen, don't forget to hit the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets us know, lets me know that you're enjoying what I'm putting out for you. And hit the subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Subscribe so you can know every time we put out a new video. And also, share. Share this wonderful recipe with your family. Sharing is caring. And when you share with your family, you guys can get together and maybe have like a mini party or something, or get together where you make some of these recipes and comment. Let me know what you did. If you use one mini burger, if you did the 2 small mini burgers the way I did, if you use a sunny side egg, if you use a scrambled egg, let me know what you did. Comment, because I do engage. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. And come back and hang out with me again so you can learn more new recipes. Thank you. Love you so much. Bye.